Hi, it's HVAC guy Dave Evans, and today is October 31st, and it's like time for seasons to change. It's like wet outside. So we're going to flip this camera around possibly here if I can figure that out, and show you. There's the motor. The old motor is burnt out. Hook the power up to it, and it just flipped the breaker, which means this is grounded out. So when you pull your squirrel cage out, this thing here, squirrel cage, you have to take that thing there and kind of stand on this and pull the motor out. Once you get the key on the back side loosened up, and new motor, got to usually put a belly band on it unless you get the OEM motor. The OEM motor had a hook up here with a special connection, but if you buy one like I did, kind of it's a remanufactured, or it's a new motor, but it's just made to work like universally. So you just have to color code your wires, and I used my old wires and hooked them back up with connectors, and then a special tool, and then put the belly band back on this thing, push it back down into the squirrel cage, line it back up so that this thing will spin without rubbing on the sides, and go back into your furnace and hook all the wires back up the way you found them. The best thing to do is take a picture of where everything was. So, but there is a diagram on the motor. It tells you your high, your high. Usually you need your high speed and your low speed. This furnace here doesn't use the medium, but you need to make sure you know where all your wires are, so you put them back so you get your neutral back where it needs to go, and your speeds. So anyway, that's a little bit about how motors run. As far as speed goes, or direction, that's done with the wires here at the factory. So you have to look on here to see which way it's wired to go forward and backwards, rotation wise. They'll tell you which one to hook up for counterclockwise or for clockwise. So anyway, this is a little tip from the HVAC guy Dave, and hope you're following along and learning something about what we do out here in the world of HVAC.